Hello everyone, this is Jamela at Viva La Vintage for your home. Thank you for joining me and tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. In this episode, I'm going to take you on a tour of how I changed our guest room into an Afro-Boho style, all on a budget. When I brought in my peacock chair and the gravel art that I purchased off of Facebook Marketplace, I found a pair of mid-century lamps, and those were my focal points to create the new look for the room. So come on inside and take a look. And there you have it. As you see, I made simple changes to the space to neutralize it and also give it the Afro-Boho style that I was wanting for the room. I hope you were inspired and I enjoyed the new look, and stay tuned for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. Take care.